Hey everybody, welcome to the Global Search 17.1 planning issue. I'm just going to cover really quickly what we've got on deck for the milestone. First up, we've got some exciting AI and retrieval augmented generation foundation features. So we're building out our Elasticsearch framework that will help other teams be able to index data into Elasticsearch for just general text search, but then also will help them embed that data if they want to do semantic searching and RAG features as well for any AI features they may have. We did a pairing session with the Threat Insights team on vulnerability stuff, and they were able to get their data indexed and searchable within an hour. So that's, we're pretty excited about how fast teams are able to get things, at least at the POC level, with this stuff that we've been working on. So that's super exciting. And then we'll continue working on getting a hybrid search for issues into production on GitLab.com under an experimental feature flag. That's just for the GitLab projects, for the GitLab groups and projects. But it'll be our first AI feature leveraging embeddings on GitLab data. So that hopefully will be finished in this milestone, but if not, we'll be making a lot of progress on it. So look out for that in the next 4 to 6 weeks. And then on the advanced search front, we've got a relevance improvement. We finally got the Boolean queries implemented. So you should see better search results across the scopes in advanced search. And then we're also going to be adding some metrics to track the position of the various results a user clicks. So we'll be able to figure out how good our relevance changes have been over time, and helping out the plan team's migration to work items as well. That work is kind of falling to us as they move forward with their work items migration. There's kind of support work that we've got to do, so we'll continue to do that for them. And then on the Zookt front, we're continuing the forks filter work, should be able to polish that off, and then working on the back end to support the front end for displaying multiple matches within a single file. Right now, you see every result from Zookt code search as a unique atomic result, even if there's multiple matches in the same file. So we're working to make it so that you can just see, all the results in a single file in one UI component in the results list. And then we're also adding some scheduling task improvements, which should help Zookt performance in general. And then we have one technical writing issue real quick. I'll mention to add a docs page for how to integrate Zookt with GitLab for code search so that self-managed users can start taking advantage of the alpha. We've had some users already get started doing that. We just want to have a docs page to support them if they aren't able to get it running in time for us to be able to help them kind of handhold. But we're always able to do that whenever they need it as well. And with that, I'll hand it over to CZ for maintenance and bugs.
Thank you, Ben. In 17.1, we'll continue our work on the maintenance and bug fixes. For the maintenance, the first one is to add sharding keys to all the sales local tables that are owned by Global Search. This is part of the overall GitLab Sales 1.0 project. And the second one, we are going to deprecate some of the Elasticsearch data migrations. And so every after a major release, we deprecate all data migrations in order to minimize our maintenance cost. For this, I also want to remind our users and customers, please run through all the Elasticsearch data migrations before you upgrade to 17.0 GitHub releases. The last maintenance task that we scheduled is to check our Elasticsearch indexes for GitHub.com to make sure the shard sizes are still optimized. So we'll do some adjustments if needed. For the bug fixes, we'll fix an issue that we found in the Elastic index rig task, where the index or alias already exist. In that case, there are some error conditions that we may came across, so we'll fix that issue. Also, we'll be addressing a potential security issues. The last one we scheduled as a stretch goal. We'll check a issue that's may happen when rendering the search result page. The no search results message may briefly show up before we render all the results. So we're going to look into that and try to fix it. I think that's all from maintenance and bug fixes.
Awesome. Thanks, CZ. That wraps it up for Global Search 17.1 planning. Looking forward to seeing you all next time. Thanks.